Number 5. The experienced motorcycle rider. And he'll go home and he'll get on his scooter. He probably rode it here tonight, and he'll say, "That's all right. I still got my iron here." So some people go home saying, "Well, I still got wood here." The perpetual age of many females. Number 39. 39. A little closer now. Get a little closer. I'll tell you what. Get in between the two fellas. We need symmetry there. Okay.
He's gonna win this
Eeny,
thing.
meeny, miny. Okay. It's not so simple as eeny, meeny, miny, mo. It's as simple as saying number 15. 15. Oh, it's the only female of the opposite sex. She's done. She's done.
Oh my God! It's down to
What's your
2.
name, godammo? Chris and Peter. Peter and Chris. All 4 of them are right here in front of us.
Oh my God!
I think it's time that we took a quick pause. Let us pray. No, let us drink. Christian Dan will be coming up here. He'll give you the benediction and all of that good stuff, and I'll be passing around a plate of wings. Okay? This is it. See, I gotta go to the can. I'll be right back. No. The number I'm about to call is not the winner. The number that I don't call gets to jump on this motorcycle and do a couple of donuts, maybe. 41. 41. Oh, it's not Pete, but it's Chris wins the motorcycle. Chris! He's got no ammo, but he's got a Johnny motorcycle. Got
Oh my God!
whole bunch of cylinders and uses them all. 5 speeds.
Yeah!
And what's how about a nice hand for Chris? I don't think he qualified on my show, so I don't think that highly of him. But hey, what the everybody, how about a nice hand for all of our qualifiers that stand up here and put up with my nonsense, and of course all of you is putting up all of my nonsense. But you're used to that. All right, Chris, that's a nice. You're gonna look good on that motorcycle. It's just the right size for it too. Like we had some big, gargantuan guy, wouldn't look so good. Probably have to use it to go get the mail. But Chris is the winner of the Johnny Pack Bar Hog motorcycle. Hog Polish, Quaker Steak and Lube, and WCMF. We thank you for participating in the contest.
Oh my God!
And for coming down to Quaker Steak and Lube. Keep in mind, it's the end of CMF Bike Nights, but Bike Nights continue for the next month here at Quaker Steak and Lube. Wednesday night, 6 to 8, same special, delicious Labatt beer, and the best wings in the USA. From a young lady brought me a beer. Hot damn! Thank you, Brenda.
Oh my God!
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for coming out to Quaker Steak and Lube. We're going to take some wedding photos now, and the rest of you, please feel free to carry on, buy yourself a cold beverage, buy some food, and don't forget your servers and bartenders. Thanks to Ashley, who is the most rockinest general manager I have ever worked with. She's made everything very easy. Have a nice hand for Ashley, who also rocks the short skirts.
What a buddy!
All right.